It's flying day. What if I just fell over that table? Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm gonna fly an airplane today in like an hour. I've never done that before and I'm kind of pumped. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm getting so excited.
See over the cowling?
Yeah, I'm just a short little guy. So what kind of plane is this? What am I looking at?
A Cessna 172.
Cessna 172.
That's it right there.
S model. Cool.
You'll be flying this on your own today.
I'm so excited.
I'm so glad you came out.
Me too. I've been actually really bored lately. A full month, and I'm obviously not putting this part in the video. So getting in the little plane. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So it's time for me to get all set up. Gonna mount my GoPro, and here's what we're working with. So I'm gonna be flying this plane today. With the help of Germain, my flight instructor.
Take us up here and just drain fuel.
Okay.
And then you want to make sure that the color is correct and the quality is good. And then checking the flight controls. You're checking the oil quality or quantity.
Okay.
And then just checking the propeller, tire inflation. And that's really it. Flight controls primarily. Fuel
Awesome.
Quantity. That's it.
So we're safe.
Yes, we are safe. We're ready to go.
All right, let's do it.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm excited. It's a bit hard to hear what he's saying, so I'm going to narrate just a little bit. Here, Germain is explaining to me how to steer the aircraft, and that is done by using pedals by my feet. Left pedal goes left, right pedal takes us to the right. So I'm going to go ahead and steer us down the runway. By this point, I'm manning the control wheel and Germain is still operating the throttle. He's maintaining a certain speed while I am overseeing altitude changes and the direction we're heading in. Now Germain is covering up my flight panel instruments to see if I can maintain certain levels without looking at the gauges. I'm actually able to pull this off pretty well, and in just a minute I'll be able to further explain what each gauge actually measures. Here, Germain is explaining our flight panel instruments in a little more detail. It's just the 6 main gauges in front of me and some on the left that we're about to talk about. This top left gauge is the airspeed indicator, and I admittedly forgot a lot about that one. It wasn't one of the ones I focused on as much. But the one to the right of that, the attitude indicator, shows our position and relevance to the horizon. So you want to keep a certain amount of space in your vision between the front of the aircraft and the horizon just to keep the plane level. Next we have the altimeter and the vertical speed indicator. The altimeter will measure the altitude while the vertical speed indicator measures the rate of climb or descent. Next we have our heading indicator. It's the bottom middle gauge, and it'll hold a heading just like on a boat. It'll let you know which direction you're going in. To the left of that, we have our turn coordinator. And then lastly, the smaller gauges all the way to the left will measure things pertaining to oil, fuel, the vacuum, and there's a digital clock on that side as well. Thank you so much, Germain. That
You're
was
welcome.
Awesome.
Hope you had a good time.
I really did. Like, I want to do this next week.
I know, it was a lot of fun.
Can we please?
Night flying is just probably the best ever.
It was beautiful, the sunset and just everything. And I felt like I actually got to do something this time. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time. Thank you again for watching. As always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. For more adventures, follow Amanda Zachary on Instagram.